Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to change your birthday on the Roblox mobile app, and I'll also show you how to change your age on the Roblox app if you need to change that as well. So all you have to do is head over to your Roblox application, open that up. Once you're on the homepage of Roblox, you just want to go to the bottom right corner where you see the circle with the 3 dots. Click on that, and then you just want to scroll down under the More category here and just click on the Settings tab. And once you're on Settings, you want to click on Account Info, and then we'll just load up your account info. And if you scroll down, you will see an option for your birthday to be changed. If you do not see this, I'll show you what to do next. But if you do see this, you can go ahead and just change it here. And just make sure you click on Save when you're done right here, just to make sure it saves your birthday. But if you don't see your birthday settings right here, all you want to do is exit out of this area, go back into the More area of your settings, click on Help. And then we'll just give it a second to load here. Once it loads up, we're just going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. And then you're going to see an option for Contact Us. You want to click on Contact Us. Then if you scroll down, you'll see a little area where it says support form right here. It's got like a blue link on it. You want to click on that. And then it'll open up a Contact Us information page. So you got to fill this out with your first name, your email address, and your username that's with your Roblox account. And then you just got to let them know what's going on, that you don't have the birthday option to be changed. There could be lots of different reasons for this personally. It could be that the region that you're in. It could be because you're under the age of 13. For whatever the reason is, you just explain yourself here, and you should get an email reply back from Roblox within about 48 hours. But anyways, I hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to change your age and change your birthday on Roblox. If this was helpful to you, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.